KPT Flow Infinite. Modernization is an indispensable aspect for any society to thrive, grow, and develop. Rapid urbanization requires robust infrastructure development and building construction. Every industrial and commercial construction requires a non-corrosive and eco-friendly advanced plastic piping system. Here comes KPT Piping Systems Private Limited, an ISO 9001:2015 and ISO 14001:2015 certified company with the advanced European technology PPR piping system. Operational since 2008, KPT is India's #1 industrial PPR piping solutions provider. A leader in polypropylene random copolymer piping systems, PPR Piping System has a state-of-the-art multi-specialty piping manufacturing facility and uses non-toxic food-grade, highly strength, fusion weldable raw material for the production of its piping systems. To ensure world-class quality, KPT brings to you a piping system made with R200P PPR raw material, 100% Hyosung from the Republic of South Korea. PPR pipes are eco-friendly and 100% food-grade material and resistant to most of the chemicals. PPR piping system is now widely used in the fields of drinking water, compressed air, cooling towers, firefighting, acids, RO, DM, ETP water applications, offering a longer lifespan of 50 years. With world-class PPR raw material and state-of-the-art production facility, KPT has successfully completed 2,500 plus complex projects for various industrial, commercial, and government organizations. Our piping system is now running for most critical applications like data centers, injection molding factories, and chillers all over India. Our product ranges: pneumatopipes for compressed air, Green Therm for water applications, Thermoplast for firefighting system, KPT's manufacturing facility, lab, infrastructure, etc. KPT has a full-fledged and fully automated manufacturing facility with a capacity to produce 15 metric ton pipes per day. The unit has a fully equipped lab for material testing and quality assurance. The company adopts a stringent quality control process to ensure our customers get only the best anytime and every time. Our achievements: winner of India 5000 Best MSME Award for outstanding contribution in quality and excellence in the realm of customer satisfaction. Pride of Bharat for the year 2021 for the most trusted pipes manufacturer and suppliers of the year. Our esteemed members: FIEO, Federation of Indian Export Organizations; CII, the Confederation of Indian Industry; EEPC, Engineering Export Promotion Council. We believe innovation and quality are the key to deliver world-class products. For over 13 years, we are working to deliver excellence to all our stakeholders. KPT Flow Infinite.